Hi, my dear kids. Welcome to Easy Learn, Funny Learn. In this video, we are going to see about SOF, NSO, birds chapter. My dear kids, can we start? First one. I am the smallest bird with a long beak. I love sucking nectar from flowers. Identify me. Option A. Hummingbird. B. Sparrow. C. Falcon. D. Ostrich. Hummingbird is the smallest bird with a long beak, and also hummingbird is the only bird which can fly backwards. So answer is option A. Second one. Birds migrate because of dash and dash factors. Option A. Water and climate. B. Personal and professional. C. Food and shelter. D. Environmental and genetic factor. Birds migrate because of environmental and genetic factor. So answer is option D. Third one. Which of the following birds has claws as shown in the figure? A. Parrot. B. Hawks. C. Sparrow. D. Hen. Actually, the claw which is shown in the figure is sharp claws. So, raptors birds will have such claws, that is prey eating birds will have such type of claws to hold and kill their prey. So, in the given option, the raptor type of bird is hawks. So, answer is option B. Fourth one. Why don't the birds fall when they sleep on the branch of a tree? Option A. Because of the shape of their claws that hold on to the branch very firmly. B. Birds do not sleep on the branches, they sleep in their nest. C. Because their feathers balance their weight. D. None of these. When birds sit on the branch of a tree, the ankle, the foot, the claws automatically fixes, locking their toes around the branch. They lock their toes around their branch. With the feet locked, the sleeping birds don't fall. As the birds stand up, its feet releases. So when they are sitting or sleeping in the branch, they lock their feet. When they stand, it will releases their feet. So the birds won't fall when they sleep on the branch of a tree because of the shape of their claws that hold on to the branch very firmly. So answer is option A. Fifth one. What's the easiest way to tell the difference between wading birds and perching bird? A. Difference in wingspan. B. Difference in body size. C. Difference in foot structure. D. Difference in eyes. The easiest way to tell the difference between wading and perching bird is by seeing difference in foot structure. So answer is option C. Sixth one. Which of the following birds has webbed feet? Option A. Duck. Option B. Eagle. Option C, hen. Option D, pigeon. So, only water bird has webbed feet. So, in the following option, duck is the water bird. So, the answer is option A. Seventh one. Which of the following is not a flightless bird? A. Puffins, B. Kiwi, C. Penguin, D. All of these. So, flightless bird means a bird which cannot fly. So, in the following option, kiwi and penguins are flightless bird. Puffins, which also looks like penguin, but it can fly. So, they are asking which is not a flightless bird. So, the answer is option A. Eighth one. Which of the following senses is weakest in birds? A. Hearing, B. Sight, C. Smell, D. Touch. Birds have four sense of smell and taste. So the answer is option C. Ninth one. Which is the national bird of India? A. Flamingo, D. Peacock, C. Parrot, D. Owl. Yes, you all know the answer. So, peacock is the national bird of India. Correct. 10th one. Which bird's eye are larger than its brain? A. Eagle, B. Ostrich, C. Owl, D. Pigeon. So, ostrich eyes are larger than its brain. So, the answer is option B. 11th one. Birds make their nest using A. Branches and leaves, B. Wool, C. Cement, D. Cloth. So, birds make their nest using branches and leaves. So, the answer is option A. 18th one. Which of the following types of feathers gives streamlined shape to the bird's body? A. Down feathers, B. Flight feathers, C. Contour feathers, D. All of these. Contour feathers give streamlined shape to the bird's body. So the answer is option C. 19th. My beak is grey. Feathers bright and colorful. In rainy season, I show my dance. A. X is how I am known. Identify which of these is X. So the birds given in option A is peacock, B is pigeon, C is parrot, D is duck. So answer is option A. Peacock is our national bird. It has long neck and crown on its head. It has long back feathers and it will dance when it's rain. So the answer is option A. 20th. The given picture shows foot of a bird. Which of the bird given below can have this type of foot? A. Crow, B. Rooster, C. Woodpecker, D. Duck. So, just check the foot. It has two toes pointing front and two toes pointing back. So, climbing bird will have this type of route for climbing and cling around the branch. So, the answer is option C. 21. Talking bird is dash. A. Peacock, B. Parrot, C. Sparrow, D. Owl. So no doubt talking bird is parrot. Option B is the correct answer. 22. Merge the birds with their food. So the birds given in column 1 are A. Woodpecker, B. Eagle, C. Parrot, D. Hen. So the food given in column 2 are 1. Green chili, B. Worms and insects, 3. Grains, 4. Mouse. Option A. A2, B4, C1, D3. B. A4, B1, C2, D3. C. A2, B3, C1, D4. Option D. A1, B2, C3 and D4. So, the woodpecker will eat worms and insects. So, A2. Eagle. Eagle is a prey eating animal. So, option 4. Eagle will eat animals. So, 4. Parrot. Parrot eats chilies. So, 1. Hen eat grains. So, D3. So, A2, B4, C1, D2. So, the correct answer is option A. My dear kids, I hope you understand and like my video. Please watch my next video for soil chapter. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click bell icon for the notification of more videos. Thank you. Bye. Take care.